A very good morning, students. Welcome in your new online class group. Okay, I know that you all are very eager to know that who is your different subject teachers and what's the name of your new book. Okay, so first of all, I would like to introduce myself. Okay, my name is Monica Shukla and I am your English teacher. Okay, and see this one. This one is your English literature book. Okay, main course book, and this is the English literature book. Okay, so all of you take out your English literature book who have purchased the book. Okay, students, now who have purchased the book, please open lesson number 1. Today I will going to start the lesson number 1, Kabuliwala. Okay, so all the students open lesson number 1. Okay, see the lesson number 1, which name is Kabuliwala. Okay, the students pay attention. This is a very interesting story. Okay, written by the Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, our Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore, who is also the author of our Indian national anthem. Okay, so now let's start the lesson. Okay, I want to ask you something before starting the lesson. Have you ever seen the street vendors in your neighborhood? All of you. I think all of you have seen the street vendors, just like who sells the fruits, vegetables, clear, etc. Sometimes they may cause an unnecessary botheration by their door-to-door canvassing, but नो डाउट दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल. क्लियर, समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है ना बेटा कि वो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अनईजी से फील कराते हैं, बट बिकॉज बाय देयर एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ डोर टू डोर कन्वेसिंग. बट अगर हम बात करें, नो डाउट दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल. ओके, हेयर यू हैव टू राइट द 2 स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स हु कम टू योर कॉलोनी और योर होम. ओके, और योर स्ट्रीट. Now we have learned about the Rabindranath Tagore in the previous classes. Kabuliwala is one of his finest story. Okay, all of you have learned about Rabindranath Tagore. ठीक है सारे students, अभी students, all the students को मैंने Rabindranath Tagore की last time poem read कराई थी, study कराई थी. Okay, so now again here we will discuss a very fine story, very interesting story written by Rabindranath Tagore, which name is Kabuliwala. Again we will here read about the Rabindranath Tagore's next story. Here the narrator in this story is trying to put together the chapters of his latest novel. Okay, while doing so, his much loved young daughter Minnie constantly interrupts him, asking many questions. The Kabuliwala, a peddler from Kabul, is the main character of this story, who becomes very fond of Minnie. She reminds him of his own little daughter whom he had left in his home country. Thus the story reflects a father's love for his daughter. It is this unconditional love that transcends all boundaries. Okay, you know students, this is a story of peddler whose name is Kabuliwala. Okay, and who belongs from the Kabul, जो कि काबुल से था. Clear, and about little daughter Minnie. Okay, and here we talk about that in this story author is trying to put together the chapters of his latest novel. ठीक, उन्होंने इस latest novels के कुछ chapters यहाँ पर share किए हैं, और जब वो ऐसा कर रहे थे तो उनकी जो भी एक little young daughter थी Minnie, whose name was Minnie, ठीक, जो कि उनको कंसेंटली इंटरप्ट्स करती थी बीच में. ठीक है, बाय द आस्किंग सो मैनी क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो दिस स्टोरी बिलोंग्स ऑफ हिज ओन लिटिल डॉटर अबाउट फ्रॉम द काबुलीवाला. ठीक है, whom he had, जिसको कि वो अपनी कंट्री में लेफ्ट कराया था, छोड़ के आया था. ठीक है, और यहाँ पर इस स्टोरी में बेटा, दिस स्टोरी रिफ्लेक्ट्स अ फादर एंड हिज डॉटर लव. ओके, एंड दिस इज द अनकंडीशनल लव. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट द. माई डॉटर मिनी, हु इज 5 years old, कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट chattering. She has not wasted a minute in all her life in silence. Her mother gets vexed at this and would stop her from prattle, but I would not. I can never bear to see her quiet. It seems unnatural, and so my own talk with her is always lively. Okay, here the narrator says that his daughter, whose name is Minnie, and she is 5 years old, 5 years old little girl. Okay, she can't live without chattering. Chattering means टॉकिंग वेरी रैपिडली. ठीक है, जो उसकी डॉटर थी बेटा बहुत ही ज़्यादा टॉक करती थी. जनरली जो भी फीमेल कैंडिडेट्स, जो भी गर्ल्स पढ़ रही हैं इस चैप्टर्स को, वो भी इनमें से बहुत सी गर्ल्स बेटा ऐसी होंगी जो कि बिल्कुल जस्ट लाइक चैटर बॉक्स है ना. जनरली गर्ल्स ऐसी होती हैं. शी हैज़ नॉट वेस्टेड अ मिनट इन ऑल हर लाइफ इन साइलेंस. ठीक है, वो एंड वी कैन से ना जस्ट दैट शी हैज़ नॉट वेस्टेड अ सिंगल मिनट in her life in silence. Okay, every time she gets talking. Clear? And her mother also trying to stop her from prattle. Prattle means, what's the meaning of prattle? Prattle means chatter, यानी कि दिन भर जो चैटरिंग करते रहते हैं ना बच्चे, बोलते रहते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? prattle. बट जो उसके फादर थे, ही वुड नॉट, वो उसको ऐसा करने से कभी भी नहीं रोकते. आई कैन नेवर बेयर टू सी हर क्वाइट, एंड हर फादर नेवर बेयर टू सी हर जस्ट लाइक क्वाइट गर्ल. उनके फादर को बिल्कुल भी ये पसंद नहीं था कि वो उसको क्वाइट देखे. इट सीम्स अननेचुरल. ओके, जस्ट लाइक अगर ऐसा होता था तो ही फील्स दैट देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद द मीनिंग. Okay, now one morning when I was writing the 17th chapter of my new novel, she came in and putting her hand into mine asked many questions. Okay, once upon a time and one morning we can say that the writer was writing the 17th chapter of his novel, and then just then Minnie came. Okay, and putting her hand to stop to write the novel. Okay, and asked so many questions. Father Ramdayal, the doorkeeper, calls a crow. Okay, he doesn't know anything. Okay, तो उसने क्या बोला बेटा वहाँ पर कि फादर रामदयाल, जो कि कौन था, उनका डोर कीपर था, वो क्रो को क्रो क्यों कहता है? He doesn't know anything. Why he doesn't know anything? Does he? What do you think, father? Bhola says there is an elephant in the clouds blowing water out of his trunk, and that is why it rains. Okay, and you know that father Bhola also says that there is an elephant in the clouds. क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि एलिफेंट क्लाउड में हो? मीन्स जो एलिफेंट है क्लाउड्स के अंदर हो सकता है. वो क्या करते हैं कि जो भी वाटर ब्लो करते हैं अपनी ट्रंक से ब्लो करते हैं और उसी को हम रेन कहते हैं. तो ऐसा बोला क्यों कहता है? फादर, व्हाट रिलेशन इज मदर टू यू, एंड टेल मी व्हाट द रिलेशन ऑफ माई मदर विद यू. बिफोर आई कुड आंसर एनी ऑफ दिस शी वॉज सिटिंग एट माई फीट एंड ड्रमिंग हर नीज. क्लियर? कि मैं उससे पहले कोई भी उसको आंसर दे पाता. आई कुड आंसर एनी ऑफ दिस. जस्ट वी कैन से दैट शी इज सिटिंग एट माई फीट एंड ड्रमिंग हर नीज. आई वॉज इन द मिडिल ऑफ 17th chapter when she suddenly ran to the window and shouted, "Akabuliwala, Akabuliwala." She started to call him loudly. He was in the street wearing loose soiled clothing of his people and a tall turban with a big bag on his back and boxes of grapes in his hand. Okay, when the writer was writing the 17th chapter, or we can say that in the middle of the 17th chapter, she suddenly heard a voice of Kabuliwala, and she ran down to the side of the window and started shouting, "Akabuliwala, Akabuliwala." Okay, so and what he was wearing, वो क्या पहने हुए था बेटा? He was wearing loose soiled clothing. Okay, just like sea. this one, and a turban on his head. Okay, he has also a very big sack on his back, okay, and boxes of grapes in his hand. Okay, now students, sufficient for the today. Rest part of the lesson I will discuss in my next class. Okay, till now you have to do all the word meanings in your literature notebook. Okay, I will also send the pictures of the meanings. Okay, that's why you can write in your literature notebook. Okay, so bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy.